today we're gonna treat flowers, and I'm gonna show you which flowers we're also gonna treat. This one we need to treat really hard because it's sick and it cannot stand, and it's so bad. And this one can't stand, but it's getting sick. You see these dark flowers that have a little bit brown on them? And these ones also have a little bit brown, light brown. Guys, figure out which color is this. We're also gonna treat these ones. This one is, I give you 3 seconds to figure it out. Hello guys, it's our flower day, and we are gonna treat the flowers. And my grandmother will help.
Hey, but that's also my grandmother.
That's also my grandmother.
I'm gonna use this water rifle to water all the plants. Let's see how it works. Yeah, this gun looks really good. And it shoots really well. Let's try our first target, basketball. Yeah! Now we're gonna water the plants. And I'm gonna do the Fortnite edition. Or Call of Duty.
This is my grandma, and she will help us plant the flowers. But she doesn't speak really in English. You know what? We also need to always be nice to our friends to do this. It's like a dream. Or it's like something that you can never imagine, be good or bad. Okay, guys, we're still gonna plant flowers, but the flowers are still gonna be better than nothing. The flowers are good. Nature made flowers, and the nature also made our planet. My grandmother has plenty of experience to treat flowers. This is nature. Flowers are nature. Did you know that? Do a thumbs down if you don't know that. Do a thumbs up if you know that.
Bro, this is my basketball hoop. No, it's white. This is my basketball hoop. Yeah!
Please, Leo, come here, please.
Yeah, I was busy playing basketball. Oh.
Guys, what we have here is colorful flowers.
This thing is a shovel, and this thing is a shovel, and this thing is a fork. I think that's what it's called. And Lisa says that these 3 are hers. Well, then guess what's mine? It's this! Yeah! Basketball. Grandma and Lisa are preparing the soil. I didn't water that. Now, we have to place some water in really gently. So we'll place it right over here. Okay, fire in the hole. Helicopter. Please, someone plant this already. I've been waiting here 5 years. I'm watering the plants to plant them. Here you go. It's Super Mario. No. That plant is please. The plant that I haven't watered yet. Shoot it up. Now place the plant and water it. gently, not to add too much water. Give it to Grandma, and she will plant it. Grab another plant, aim it up, water the plant, and then plant it. I actually really like this job. I want to do more gardening now. I wonder when basketball will come back. Done. Is that enough? Oh, mamma mia.
Now we'll do this.
Should I water the plants?
No.
Now it's finally the last step. Water the plants. Hey, it's a simple song.
Let's do one next potion. Kids, let's do next potion.
The portion. Let's do next portion.
Not the four.
Kid,
Let's do
let's do that portion. Why? Kid, let's do that portion. Next portion.
Today I'm going to be watering these plants, but like in Fortnite Edition or in Call of Duty. I've actually never played these two games. So let's try it out. I think this is how it works. Whoa, is this a double plant? I haven't seen one of these since I've did all of that. I guess this is the only one. Aim it up. So this is how you water a plant. You aim it a little bit up. You put it closely. You just drag it along like 2 times. Give it back to the person. Give it back to the person who actually has experience doing this. And they have to take the cup out. We will tidy that up later. Don't worry, we're not littering. And then they place it in, and at the end we can water them again. Yeah, but only with this thing.